Today I'm taking my wife on a date in one of the greatest cities in the world, Sydney, Australia. But the catch is she has no idea where we're going. We go on a date every single week on Thursday night and we never miss a week. But lately our dates have been repetitive and not extremely romantic. Seems like every week we spend a long time trying to choose where to go for dinner, and Grace hates the pressure of choosing a place. So this week I chose 3 secret locations for our weekly date. Grace won't know where we're going until we arrive at each location. And let's just say our second location did not go quite to plan. Hopefully we get there in time. Grace is driving like an absolute race car driver right now.
I'm ready. Let's do it, mate.
Do you know where we're going?
No, I don't actually.
You're gonna drive and I'm gonna direct you. All right, so I'm directing us. Usually I feel like I'm driving on day night, but Grace is gonna drive so I can put our locations into the directions. And then luckily it doesn't show where we're actually going, it just gives us directions. All right, I'll give you one hint. The first place we're going to is for dinner. Only because I know if we do something and then we do dinner, I feel like we'll both get hangry.
Yeah.
So I figure solve the dinner problem first.
Yeah.
And then we can do the rest.
Because I'm definitely hungry now. And if I did something else, I would be like, this is really fun, but when we eat, no.
The first location I took Grace to is a Nashville-style fried chicken restaurant called Ruby's. We had been here once before and it reminds us of the comfort food that I grew up with in the American South.
I'm gonna get the Ruby's Sando combo.
That looks so good. How did you like dinner?
It was so good. Except I'm confused because we got, I think, the 3rd most spicy for the chicken. And I'm not kidding, like it was not spicy one bit.
Last time Grace got one spice level down, and I got the one we got today. It was pretty hot. This time we got the same one I got last time. It wasn't hot at all, so I'm wondering, here's the problem, is if they switched it, then next time we go, and we go one up, then we might be like dying of heat.
I know, that's why I'm scared.
All right, off to location 2. My second location is where things started to go wrong. My second location was a place where Grace and I would go and watch sunset over the city, which was a great plan, except we were 25 minutes away from the place and sunsets in 5 minutes. We are coming up on location number 2, but it's getting dark. It's very important that it isn't fully dark where we're going. The sun has definitely set, but we still have like a little bit of light left. Grace is driving like an absolute race car driver right now. I'm just trying to hold on. What do you think of our second location?
I like it a lot. This is really nice. I'd love to come here during the day. I feel like this could, because it's like a harbour beach, it would probably be a good beach to come to.
Yeah.
If you want to just like swim.
Grace says that she thinks she knows what the 3rd location is. What do you think it is?
Oh, you want me to say it? I think it's Luca Maids.
Yep.
Oh, baby.
Thank you.
Ooh, so good. It just takes me back. It reminds me of Maori fried bread. We called it Maori bread, but the crispiness on the outside, the like soft inside. And when I was growing up, I used to have like butter on it and it would all melt, and then you'd put Nutella on it. Oh.
I feel like since COVID, Grace and I have like gotten really used to like going and getting dinner, going straight home, and like watching a TV show together instead of like going and having experiences for every date. Tonight was exactly what we needed. Back when Grace and I first started dating, we had almost no money to do anything. I literally had less than $1 left in my bank account after buying dinner on our first date. Those were some of the happiest times in our relationship, when we had nothing but each other and the adventures we could go on. We had to take advantage of the fact that watching a sunset over the horizon and just talking were free every single day. Now that we have busy lives and unlimited entertainment, we miss out on these priceless moments. But tonight was a reminder that we could change our routine and find some of those moments still after 4 years of being together.